Welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn about the general equation of the parabola, and then we will solve our questions related to the same. Before getting into the derivation of the general equation of parabola, let's have a glimpse of the related questions. Okay, then here's the question. It says find the value of lambda if the this equations represents a parabola. Means find the value of lambda if this equation represents the parabola. First is this, and then it's asking if once you get the value of lambda, then it's asking, okay, find out the focus, equation of directrix, and equation of axis, and the coordinate of its vertex. Okay, and finally find out the equation of the latest rectum. Right. So for all those things, first we will discuss about the general equations of parabola. General equations means in general for parabola we have to have one fixed line. I will not take any particular line at this time. One fixed line. It could be anything. It's not like parallel to x-axis or parallel to y-axis. It could be anything. Let's take for example Lx plus my plus n is equal to 0. This is the general equation of a line. And let's take any point. No any particular point. Any point. Okay, then according to the definition of a parabola, we need to find out the points, the locus, from where the distance, this point, from where the distance from the fixed point, which is this S, which we call focus, and then line L, which we call directrix, line L, which we call directrix, and this any point, let's take point here, then distance from this point, distance from this point to the line L, means this distance should be equal to the distance from the fixed point. This is my variable point. You need to find out the point like this. You will get point like this, and here you will, if you find out the locus, you will get something like this. Okay, something like this, means a parabola. This is a general point x, y, P, general point. This is a fixed point S. Let's take it A, B, or whatever. This is the fixed point, and this one is a fixed line. Okay, then according to the definition of the parabola, distance, this point is M, this is P and S. MP should be equal to PS. Now you write the expression for the distance. MP distance means the distance from a fixed point to the line, to the fixed line, which is this one. You got this distance, and here the distance between the 2 points. These two distance should be same. So whatever x, y we will get is this, like it's a locus of this system. It means of the parabola. Okay, this one is generic equation of a parabola. This is a very general equation of parabola. For this parabola, now you find out everything. Everything means latest rectum, vertex, focus. The first focus will be A and B. Focus of this system, of this parabola, will be A and B. And directrix will be Lx plus my plus n is equal to 0. Okay, next we find out the axis, right? These are the axes. Okay, how to find out the axis? If you see this axis means this, take it as x dash axis, and this one is a y dash axis. This axis is perpendicular to the line L and is passing through AB, means you can find out the equations. Got it? And then this line is passing through the one point of this. It means you solve this equation, this one and parabola equation, you will get the vertex. Okay, right. Once you get the vertex, you will get this point, right? You will get this point, and then find out this equation of this. There's another way to find out the equation of this point is like you find out this point, because you will get the line x dash, you find out that this point you will have focus, and the midpoint of this will be the vertex. Okay, so in this way you will find the vertex. And then second is the latest rectum. Latest rectum is nothing but is like this, 90 degree from the focus. It will make a 90 degree from the axis. Okay, this is the latest rectum. This equation, this line will be parallel to this, passing through AB. Then you can find out the equation of this line very easily. Okay, now come to this equation, come to this problem. This problem says x minus 1 square y minus 2 square lambda x plus y plus 3. This looks like distance. This looks like something like, again, distance from some point. Okay, it means if we have lambda as a 2, means first take the square root both the side. Take a square root. Let me first clean this up. Clean up this mess. Fine, I remember this one. So we have x minus 1 square plus y minus 2 square is equal to, if you take root lambda root x plus y plus 3. Okay, just put the root over here, x plus y plus 3 divided by 1 by root lambda, right? And then 1 by root lambda should be equal to 1 by root 2, should be equal to root 2. Okay, lambda should be equal to 1 by 4. If your lambda is equal to 1 by 4, this equation will represent a parabola equation. Okay, and then x plus y plus 3 is equal to 0 will represent the directrix. So you have a formula for directrix. Directrix is x plus y plus 3 is equal to 0, and you have a focus. This point will give you the focus point. S will be equal to 1 and 2. Okay, then find out the equation or equation of line perpendicular to this axis, perpendicular to D. The line perpendicular to D and passing through, perpendicular to D, passing through 1 2, passing through 1 2. Okay, just quickly you can find x minus y is equal to minus 1. Okay, this is the point, this is the line which is perpendicular to this, passing through 1 2. it means this is the axis. Okay, this is the axis. Solve this equation, solve this two equation, and you will get this point. You will get this point. Okay, and the midpoint will be the axis. Let me solve over here. Okay, 2x is equal to minus 4, x will be equal to minus 2, and y will be equal to minus 2 minus 1, I guess, minus 1. So your vertex will be this midpoint of 1 2 and minus 2 1, means minus 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. This is your vertex. Another axis means you can find out the axis, perpendicular axis. This is the regular axis, and perpendicular axis you can find out using this one. This will be parallel to x plus y, and it will be passing through minus 1 and 2. It means that will be equal to 0. So you got this equation, you got this point, vertex. What else? I think we got everything. So we got the equation of directrix, we got equation of axis, the coordinate of its vertex, and equation of the lattice rectum, length of lattice rectum, equation of lattice rectum. Equation of lattice rectum is nothing, it's a parallel to x plus y plus 3 and is passing through 1 2. So equation of lattice rectum will be x plus y is equal to 3. Okay, x plus y is equal to c and is passing through 1 2, just put 1 and 2, c will be equal to 3, and then x plus y is equal to 3. Okay, see you in the next lecture. Bye.